Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change out this regular rocking light switch with this dimmer switch. Let's do it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is cut the electricity to the switch. So do that at the breaker box and off. Okay, so the power's off right now, so we can take the faceplate off and start working on it, and I'll also show you how to make sure that there's no power to it. And we can take the screws off of the switch itself. Okay, so on the back of the switch there's 3 wires. There's this first grounding wire, and then there's a black wire on top, black wire on bottom. After I unscrew these wires, I'm going to move the black wire on top out of the way to the top, and the one on the bottom out of the way to the bottom, so I don't get them confused. So I have the grounding wire off, and then for these black 2 wires, I'm just going to cut them and then strip them back to attach them to the new switch. Okay, so now I have all of the wires exposed. The wires on the top, black wire on the bottom, and then the ground coming in the middle. Okay, so this is what my new dimmer switch looks like. Dimmer switch in front, and on the back I have one solid red wire, and then a red wire that has a white stripe, and then a black wire, and then the green. The green, of course, is the ground, and then the wiring that I have is, of course, the bare copper is the ground, top black, and then a bottom black. So the top black is actually going to go with the solid red wire, and then the bottom black is going to go to the black wire, and then the red wire that has the white stripe is just going to get capped. So I'm going to connect all those, put everything back together, and see if it works. Each new dimmer switch should come with this twist-on electrical connector. It's really easy. After you connect the wires, you just twist it on, and you're good. Okay, all my wires are connected, so now I'm just going to carefully fold all the wires back in, put the screws in, and test it out. So one thing that I forgot to mention is, if you have a dual light switch like I do, you can remove these little tabs on this light switch outer plate, and it'll help everything go back in place a lot better. Okay, switch is secured inside, faceplate's back on. Let's hit the breaker switch and see if it works. All right, breaker's on, moment of truth. Turn the rocker on first, and dimmer. Yes. All right, that's it. That's how you can easily change out a regular light switch to a dimmer switch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.